Hello and welcome to the Grade School Quiz Factory. Today we have a fun and exciting game where you can test your knowledge on a variety of topics, such as geography, history, science, music, movies, and more. Are you ready to play? Let's begin with the first episode of General Knowledge Quiz. Question number 1. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? The correct answer is letter B. Mars gets its nickname Red Planet due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide, also known as rust, on its surface. Question number 2. What is the largest ocean on Earth? The correct answer is letter C. The Pacific Ocean is not only the largest ocean on Earth, but also covers 1/3 of the Earth's surface. Question number 3. What is the largest mammal in the world? The correct answer is letter A. The blue whale is the largest mammal on Earth, growing up to 98 feet long and weighing as much as 200 tons. Question number 4. Who painted the Mona Lisa? The correct answer is letter B. The famous painting Mona Lisa was created by the brilliant artist Leonardo da Vinci during the Italian Renaissance. Moving on to number 5. What is the capital city of France? The correct answer is letter D. The capital city of France, Paris, is often called the City of Love and is famous for its iconic landmarks like the Eiffel Tower and Louvre Museum. Question number 6. What is the largest organ in the human body? The correct answer is letter D. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, covering an area of about 20 square feet on average. Question number 7. How many continents are there in the world? The correct answer is letter C. There are 7 continents on Earth: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Question number 8. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? The correct answer is letter A. Diamonds are not only a girl's best friend, but also the hardest naturally occurring substance on Earth. Moving on to number 9. Who discovered electricity? The correct answer is letter B. Benjamin Franklin is widely credited with discovering electricity through his famous kite experiment, where he proved that lightning was a form of electricity. Lastly, what is the unit of currency in Japan? The correct answer is letter C. The official currency of Japan is the Japanese yen, and it comes in different denominations, including coins and banknotes. That concludes our general knowledge quiz. How did you do? Remember, learning new facts is always exciting, so keep exploring and expanding your knowledge.